Aries, 10th November 2024. Love. Authenticity in love is highlighted today. If you are in a relationship, take time to talk about your feelings and listen to your partners. Sharing from the heart can bring new depth to your bond. For single Aries, expressing your emotions with honesty can attract someone truly compatible. Career. Today brings a renewed sense of purpose and drive at work. You are ready to tackle even the most challenging tasks, and your dedication will make a positive impression. This is an excellent time to tackle projects you've been putting off or to organize your space for greater productivity. Overall well-being. Embrace mindfulness and quiet reflection to end the week on a positive note. A peaceful moment of gratitude will help you set intentions for the days ahead and promote inner clarity. Advice. Prioritize authenticity in all interactions. Honesty and self-reflection will lead to lasting fulfillment in love, career, and personal growth. Taurus, 10th November 2024. Love. Today is about strengthening your foundation in love. If in a relationship, consider having a heartfelt conversation with your partner about future goals and dreams. Single Taurus, use this day to clarify what you want in a partner and what values are most important to you. This clarity will guide you to attract the right person. Career. You may feel a surge of ambition and drive today. Use this energy to make headway on a project or take on a new responsibility. This is an excellent day for making a plan that will help you achieve long-term goals. Your hard work will yield rewards if you stay dedicated. Overall well-being. Take a moment to reflect on your accomplishments and express gratitude for how far you've come. A small moment of self-appreciation can boost your confidence and keep you motivated. Advice. Set clear intentions and goals, both in love and career. By focusing on the future, you'll feel empowered and ready to manifest your dreams. Gemini, 10th November 2024. Love. Your playful side shines, making it an ideal day for romantic gestures. In a relationship, plan something fun to bring lightness and joy into your connection. If single, take a chance and start a conversation with someone new. You are radiating confidence and charm. Career. Ambition is strong today, and you are ready to tackle any challenges head-on. Use this confidence to take on responsibilities or showcase your talents. Your energy will be noticed by those around you, setting a positive tone for future achievements. Overall well-being. Physical activity will help balance your mind and body. Engage in a fun workout, dance, or any form of movement to release any built-up energy and stay centered. Advice. Embrace your confidence and take proactive steps toward your goals. Today is your chance to shine and make a lasting impression. Cancer, 10th November 2024. Love. You may feel more extroverted and playful today. Plan an outing or engage in something fun with your partner. Single Cancers, take a chance on meeting new people. Today's energy favors light-hearted and positive interactions. Career. A boost of confidence may encourage you to take a creative risk. Share your ideas with colleagues or supervisors, as your innovative thinking will be well received. Overall well-being. Physical activity or spending time in the sun will help you recharge and uplift your energy. Engaging in fun activities will leave you feeling energized and ready for the week ahead. Advice. Enjoy the burst of confidence and positive energy. Be open to new experiences and let your playful side shine through both in work and relationships. Leo, 10th November 2024. Love. You'll feel inspired to express your love in thoughtful and creative ways. Plan something memorable for your partner or, if single, reach out to someone you feel connected with. Spontaneity in love will bring joy and excitement. Career. Your problem-solving skills are heightened, making this an ideal day to tackle challenges head-on. Think creatively to find solutions, and don't be afraid to propose innovative ideas. They're likely to be well received. Overall well-being. You may feel a burst of creative energy today. Engage in an artistic or expressive activity that allows you to channel this inspiration. Advice: don't hold back when it comes to love and creativity. Let your vibrant spirit shine and embrace every opportunity to bring joy to yourself and those around you. Virgo, 10th November 2024. Love. Today is a day for light-hearted connection. Plan a fun activity with your partner or a close friend. Singles may find joy in social gatherings, where a casual encounter could turn into something meaningful. Career. Stay adaptable, as unexpected developments might arise. Trust your ability to adapt quickly, and you'll find success. Overall well-being. Stay active and alert. A brisk walk or light exercise can help you stay grounded and energized. Advice: flexibility is your ally today. Embrace spontaneity in love and work, and enjoy the refreshing energy that it brings. Libra, 10th November 2024. Love. Playfulness in love can bring warmth and joy to your relationship. Plan something light-hearted and spontaneous with your partner. Single Libras might find that a fun, casual approach to dating opens up new possibilities. Career. Adaptability is key today. Changes may arise unexpectedly, but your ability to remain flexible will allow you to turn any challenges into opportunities. Overall well-being. Enjoy a bit of spontaneity. Go somewhere new or try an activity you haven't done in a while to keep your spirit invigorated. Advice: embrace flexibility and fun. Let your playful side emerge and enjoy the new perspectives it brings. Scorpio, 10th November 2024. Love. Emotional intensity may reach a peak today, bringing you closer to your partner. Spend quality time together to reinforce your connection. For singles, today may bring clarity about what you desire in a relationship. Career. Your dedication is admirable. Projects requiring concentration will benefit from your attention, as you are especially focused today. Overall well-being. Manage stress by prioritizing self-care activities that help you unwind, like a warm bath or quiet reading session. Advice: channel your intensity productively and don't hesitate to recharge when needed. Balance dedication with rest. Sagittarius, 10th November 2024. Love. Today is great for connecting on a deeper level. Share your thoughts and feelings with your partner to enhance intimacy. Singles may find themselves drawn to someone who appreciates their adventurous nature. Career. Use today to review your progress on long-term projects. Celebrating small victories will keep you motivated and focused. Reach out to mentors or colleagues for guidance if needed. Overall well-being. Engage in relaxation techniques, such as yoga or meditation, to unwind from a busy week. Balancing your energetic pursuits with calm moments will enhance your overall well-being. Advice: reflect on your goals and celebrate your achievements. Acknowledging your progress helps maintain motivation for the journey ahead. Capricorn, 10th November 2024. Love: a sense of security and stability will permeate your relationships today. It's a good time to discuss future plans with your partner. If you are single, trust your instincts about potential romantic interests. Career: you may feel a strong urge to refine your work strategies. Focus on efficiency and organization to enhance productivity. Today's energy is favorable for setting up systems that will benefit you in the long run. Overall well-being: engage in activities that nurture your soul, whether it's reading, cooking, or spending time in nature. Prioritize relaxation to recharge for the week ahead. Advice: trust your instincts. Whether in love or career, your gut feelings can guide you toward positive outcomes. Aquarius, 10th November 2024. Love: today is ideal for deepening emotional connections. Plan a heartfelt discussion or a cozy evening with your partner. If you are single, allow yourself to be vulnerable when meeting new people. This will attract those who appreciate your authenticity. Career: your innovative ideas could lead to new projects or collaborations. Share your thoughts with your team, as your unique perspective will inspire others. Stay open to constructive feedback to refine your ideas further. Overall well-being: focus on your physical health today. Engage in a workout or a healthy cooking session. Nourishing your body will enhance your overall well-being. Advice: trust in your abilities. Your creativity and originality are valuable assets in both your personal and professional life. Pisces, 10th November 2024. Love: your intuitive side will be strong today. Pay attention to nonverbal cues from your partner, as they may be trying to communicate something important. If you are single, listen to your heart and follow your instincts. They will guide you towards potential love interests. Career: you may feel a strong urge to pursue your passions at work. Use this motivation to initiate projects that align with your interests. Collaborating with others will also bring forth innovative ideas. Overall well-being: engage in relaxation techniques such as deep breathing or yoga. These practices can help center you, especially if you are feeling overwhelmed. Advice: stay true to yourself. Authenticity is your greatest strength, both in relationships and at work.